All right, let me go over the homework requirements for using color in your photographs. So first I want you to, you're going to turn in 2 photos that are exploring the use of color, and you'll also submit a lighting setup. So a total of 3 photos. Some things I'd like for you to consider. How do you visually describe color in your photographs? What ideas or designs do you want to explore using color contrast or color harmony? So you're going to need to watch the instructor's video. It's about a half-hour long, and watch some of the videos by the photographers to get more ideas of how other photographers are using color contrast or color harmony. For this assignment, you'll explore your ideas of how to use color in your photographs. Submit 2 photographs demonstrating your interpretation or influence of color. Work with a color scheme in your photographs. Consider and reflect on what sort of emotional feeling you want to convey through the use of color in your images. Decide if your photographs use cool colors, greens, cyans, blues, or warm colors, red, yellows, oranges, and magenta. Match the colors to the expression you are trying to communicate in your images. You should consider the color of your props. Choose objects that best illustrate the ideas you visually are representing in your photographs. Consider the type of lighting, the exposure of your photographs. Do you want them to be high key or low key? Think about the composition and design. Color palette and style. Take time to consider your image and the use of the hue. Is that going to be saturated or desaturated? So think about the palette. How do you want to think about the lighting in relationship to the colors you are exploring, and also just like the ideas that you're trying to reference? So then you're going to respond to these 5 prompts, and you'll also respond to 2 of your classmates' posts. So with the prompts that you need to consider, I want you to give your 2 photographs a title and a size, if you could print them. Share your process of choosing the color and why. Explain how the light may have affected your process when considering how to control and manipulate the color. And try different types of lighting. What's it like if the light is really close? What if it's further away? What if you photograph using window light as opposed to the lights in your house? Discuss how the photographer you learned about for this learning unit inspired you. Share your ideas for the photographs you created exploring the concept of color. So kind of summarize. And then respond to 2 of your classmates' posts considering the following 2 prompts. In your response, consider discussing your thoughts on how the use of color was used in your classmates' post. Share your response, emotional, or the ideas you thought of, or the first word that came to your mind when you reviewed your classmates' photographs. So keep me posted with any questions. Thanks.